Well, hello there everyone. Welcome to a UXW Bill video. This seems like the perfect kind of subject matter for a short video. Just moments from now, there will be only 10,000 more miles before Naughty Truck turns over the big 300,000. Even though we're not there yet, I thought this was still video, if not noteworthy in some form or another. I'll apologize for the shaky camera work, but again, it's a short video. You'll make it, I'm fairly sure. There it is, folks. I'll see you in 10,000 more miles. Thank you for watching. Feel free to leave a constructive comment if you have one.